Did you know there are actually over 50 different ways to order a single latte?
50? Wait, James, is that even possible?
Completely possible. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to order your own perfect 51st.
Okay, now, I'm curious. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Cafe Studio.
Welcome back. I'm James.
And I'm Lily. Last episode, we learned how to order your very first coffee, the basics, the drink, types, the small talk.
And so many of you told us it really helped. Thank you for that, honestly.
But today we're going deeper, because ordering coffee isn't just, I'd like a latte. There's a whole world hiding behind that one sentence.
Milk, sugar, size, temperature. Today, you unlock all of it.
So if you're new here, this is English Cafe Studio, where we teach real, everyday English through simple conversations.
Please subscribe, smash that like button, and let's get into it.
Grab your coffee, sit down with us, and let's talk.
Lily, have you ever heard someone order a coffee that was just impossibly long?
Oh my gosh, all the time. Like, can I get a venti, oat milk, half calf, extra hot, no foam latte with 2 pumps of vanilla?
That's not an order, that's a whole paragraph.
And the barista just writes it all down like it's nothing. No hesitation at all.
I used to think ordering coffee was simple. Just say the name and boom, you're done.
But once you learn all the customization options, your order becomes very, very personal.
It becomes yours, like a signature.
Exactly. So today, we'll teach you exactly how to build that perfect order piece by piece in clear English.
Milk first, then sugar, then size. Are you ready?
Let's do it. Okay, let's set the scene. James, you're the customer again. I'm the barista.
I love this role reversal we've got going.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'd like a latte, please.
Sure thing. What kind of milk would you like? We have a regular milk, oat milk, almond, milk, soy milk, and coconut milk.
Whoa, that's a lot of choices. What's the real difference?
Great question. Regular milk is the classic creamy option. Oat milk is also creamy, but a little sweeter and thicker. A lot of people are obsessed with it in lattes.
And almond milk?
Almond milk is lighter, a bit nutty, and lower in calories.
What about soy?
Soy milk sits right in the middle, creamy but with its own unique taste. And coconut milk adds a light tropical flavor, amazing in iced drinks.
Okay, I'm going with oat milk. I've heard so many good things.
Excellent choice. Quick question. Any allergies I should know about?
Actually, yes. I'm allergic to nuts, so almond milk is a hard no for me, ever.
Thank you so much for telling me. That's genuinely so important. Oat milk is completely safe, 0 nuts involved.
Perfect. Relief.
That question matters more than people think. If you have any allergy, always say it clearly, right away.
Yes, just say I have a nut allergy or I can't have dairy. Baristas hear this every single day. Never feel shy about it.
Exactly. And to compare quickly, oat milk is creamier, almond milk is lighter. It really comes down to your own taste.
My advice? Try one new milk option every week. You'll discover your favorite eventually.
Love that advice. Okay, milk. Officially unlocked. Let's move to sugar.
Okay, wait. Before we move on, time for our new favorite segment.
Ooh, tell them, James.
Starting today, every episode, we're doing a mistake of the day. a real common English mistake learners make at cafes.
And you have to guess it before we reveal the answer. Ready?
Here's today's mistake. A. Customer wants more sugar, so they ask the barista for extra shot.
Oh, that's a dangerous one. Viewers, pause for a second. What do you think extra shot actually means?
We'll reveal the answer in just a minute. Keep watching.
Great. 1 oat milk latte. Would you like any sugar or sweetener?
Yes, please. Can I get an extra shot?
Sure. 1 extra shot of espresso coming right up.
Wait, what? No, I meant an extra shot of sugar, not espresso.
And there it is, our mistake of the day, live in action.
I walked right into that one.
So everyone, extra shot always means extra espresso, never extra sugar. If you want more sweetness, just say extra sugar or a little sweeter, please.
Lesson learned the hard way. Okay, no extra espresso for me, but yes, 1 packet of sugar, please.
Got it. We also have honey if you want something natural.
Ooh, actually, let's switch to honey instead.
Great choice. And we also offer flavored syrups, vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut for extra flavor.
Do people combine honey and syrup?
Some do, but most stick to one. If you want sweet but not too heavy, I'd suggest a touch of vanilla syrup.
Let's do that. A little vanilla syrup, please.
Perfect. And if you ever want 0 sugar at all, we have sugar-free syrup. Tastes nearly identical, 0 calories.
That's incredibly useful, especially if you're watching your sugar intake.
Totally. Just say, "Can I get that with sugar-free syrup, please?" And the barista will know exactly what you mean. Wonderful. Now, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
What size is that exactly? Like in ounces?
Good question. A small is usually around 8 ounces. Medium is 12. And large is 16 ounces or more.
I'll take a medium, please.
Perfect. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. Actually, can I get it extra hot? I like it seriously warm.
Absolutely. Extra hot it is. Some customers also ask for extra ice on cold drinks or less ice if they want more coffee flavor.
Whoa, I had no idea you could even ask for less ice.
Oh, you can always ask. Just say, "Can I get light ice, please?" Or "extra ice, please," depending on your mood.
You know, in some bigger chains, they use totally different size names. Short, tall, grande, venti, instead of small, medium, large.
So true, and it can throw people off the first time. If you're ever confused, just point at the menu and ask, "Which size is this one, please?"
Great tip. So now, drum roll, we have our full order. A medium, extra hot oat milk latte with a touch of vanilla syrup.
That, my friends, is a real customized order. And now you know exactly how to build one too. Okay, let's slow down and power through 8 essential words from today.
8 words. Let's do it.
First word, customize. This means to change something to match your personal preference.
For example, I love to customize my coffee order every single morning.
And I'd say you can customize your drink with different milk and sugar options.
Second word, substitute. This means to replace one thing with another.
For example, can I substitute regular milk for oat milk?
And I'd say, I always substitute sugar with honey in my tea.
Third word, extra. This means more of something, an additional amount.
For example, can I get extra foam on my cappuccino?
And I might say, I love extra ice in my iced coffee during summer.
Fourth word, on the side. This means something is served separately, not mixed in.
For example, can I get the syrup on the side, please?
And I'd say, I always ask for whipped cream on the side, so I can add it myself.
Fifth word, sweetener. This is a general word for anything that makes a drink sweet. Sugar, honey, or syrup.
For example, what sweeteners do you have available?
And I could say, I try to use natural sweeteners like honey instead of sugar.
Sixth word, dairy-free. This means a drink or food has no milk products in it.
For example, do you have any dairy-free milk options?
And I'd say, my sister is dairy-free, so she always orders oat milk.
Seventh word, size up or size down. This means to choose a bigger or smaller size than usual.
For example, can I size up to a large today? I'm exhausted.
And I could say, sometimes I size down to a small if I don't need too much caffeine.
And our final word, half and half. This is a mix of milk and cream, often used in coffee.
For example, can I add a little half and half to my coffee?
And I'd say, half and half makes coffee taste so much richer and creamier.
Amazing! Let's say all 8 words together one final time. Customize, substitute, extra, on the side, sweetener, dairy-free, size up, half and half.
Try using 2 or 3 of these this week when you order your own coffee. You've got this.
Now, let's practice a real situation. Ordering a healthier version of your usual drink.
This one's genuinely useful for anyone trying to eat and drink a little better.
Hi again. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I usually get a large caramel latte, but I'm trying to eat healthier. Can you help me customize it?
Of course. Let's start by sizing down to a medium, if that works for you.
Sure, sounds good.
And instead of regular milk, want to substitute it with almond milk? Fewer calories.
Yes, let's do that.
And for the caramel, we can swap in sugar-free caramel syrup instead of the regular one.
Perfect, thank you.
So your brand new order is a medium almond milk latte with sugar-free caramel syrup, much lighter than before.
Wow, and I didn't even lose the flavor I love. Thank you so much.
Now one more. A customer who feels completely overwhelmed by all the choices.
Honestly, I think a lot of our viewers will really relate to this one.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get for you?
Hi. Honestly, there are so many options. I have no idea what to choose.
That is completely okay. Can I ask a few quick questions to help you decide?
Yes, please, save me.
Do you prefer your coffee sweet or more bitter?
Definitely sweet.
Okay, and do you like milk in your coffee or do you prefer it black?
I like milk for sure.
Great, then I'd suggest a caramel latte with oat milk. It's sweet, creamy, and one of our most popular drinks by far.
That sounds perfect. Sorry, could you repeat the name one more time?
Of course, a caramel latte with oat milk.
Great, I'll take that, please. Thank you for your patience with me.
No problem at all. That's exactly what we're here for.
That phrase, could you repeat that, please, is so incredibly useful when you're feeling unsure or nervous.
100%. And baristas are always happy to help. Never feel embarrassed to ask questions.
Okay, let's do a lightning fast recap before we wrap up.
We learned how to customize milk, sugar, and size, the 3 big categories every coffee order has.
We learned 8 brand new words: customize, substitute, extra, on the side, sweetener, dairy-free, size up, and half and half.
And we practiced 2 real situations: ordering a healthier drink and ordering when you feel a little confused.
And don't forget, our very first mistake of the day: never confuse extra shot with extra sugar.
Never again, James.
Remember, it's always okay to ask questions at a cafe. Baristas genuinely want to help you.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural it will start to feel.
Okay, time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Today's question is, how do you usually customize your coffee order?
Write your answer in English in the comments. Even one short sentence is fantastic practice.
For example, you could write, I always customize my latte with oat milk and less sugar.
We read every single comment, so please share yours with us.
Well, James, I think we officially know how to build the perfect coffee order now.
We really do. Thank you all so much for watching today.
If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And next time, we're stepping into a full restaurant. Menus, waiters, ordering a 3-course meal. And trust me, there will be another mistake of the day waiting for us.
Ooh, I'm already nervous.
You should be. See you there.
That's a wrap from our cafe table.
See you next time.